What if your pursuit of healthy eating spiraled into an obsession, where your diet controls your life, not the other way around? Today's video sheds light on this misunderstood condition, signs to watch for, causes, and how recovery is possible with the right support. What is orthorexia nervosa? Orthorexia nervosa, ON, literally means right appetite, from the Greek words ortho, correct, and orexia, appetite. Unlike anorexia or bulimia, the focus isn't on weight loss but an obsessive preoccupation with eating pure, clean, or healthy foods. This obsession can lead to increasingly restrictive diets, malnutrition, and social isolation, all disguised as wellness. Signs and symptoms. Recognize these red flags of orthorexia. Constant planning, researching, or talking about healthy foods. Rigid avoidance of entire food groups deemed impure, e.g. all carbs, sugar, dairy, animal products. Spending hours daily preparing safe foods or worrying about contamination. Anxiety, guilt, or shame if dietary rules are broken. Eating becomes a source of stress rather than pleasure. Avoidance of social meals or restaurants unless strict food control is possible. Physical signs like unintended weight loss, fatigue, or nutrient deficiencies emerge. Sometimes overlaps with OCD, perfectionism, anxiety, or other eating disorders. Causes and risk factors. The exact cause of orthorexia remains unclear but is likely multifactorial. Personality traits like perfectionism and need for control. History of anxiety, obsessive-compulsive behaviors, or previous eating disorders. Cultural pressure emphasizing clean eating, social media's influence, dieting trends. Possible neurobiological factors similar to those in anorexia or OCD. Physical and social impact. Orthorexia can lead to serious consequences. Malnourishment or vitamin deficiencies from overly restrictive diets. Weight loss and decreased energy. Interference in everyday life. Difficulty eating out or attending social events. Strained relationships due to rigid food beliefs or judgment of others' habits. Emotional distress, isolation, shame, or worsening anxiety. Orthorexia is diagnosed clinically through detailed interviews assessing obsessions with food quality and related impairments. Standardized tools like Ortho15 exist, but clinical evaluation remains key. Treatment and recovery. Though orthorexia is not an official DSM-5 diagnosis, treatment mirrors effective approaches used in other eating disorders. Psychotherapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, helps identify and challenge unhealthy beliefs about food and control and develops more flexible thinking and behaviors. Exposure therapy reduces anxiety about forbidden foods. Dietitian support. Working with nutritionists to reintroduce food variety and address nutritional deficiencies safely. Addressing co-occurring conditions. Anxiety, OCD, or perfectionism often exist alongside and need simultaneous treatment. Social and peer support. Support groups and community help reduce isolation and promote balanced food relationships. Recovery can be slow but is very achievable with compassion, patience, and comprehensive care. Set realistic goals to try new foods or relaxed meal routines. Practice mindfulness and self-compassion around eating errors. Limit exposure to triggering social media or unhealthy, clean eating messages. Engage in enjoyable social eating without judgment or pressure. Celebrate every step towards a freer, peaceful life with food. If obsessive eating behaviors interfere with your health, relationships, or quality of life, seek professional evaluation early. Early intervention speeds recovery and prevents medical complications. Your pursuit of health should bring freedom, not fear. Orthorexia may feel like a fight for control, but healing lets you reconnect with joy, balance, and true wellness. You are more than your food rules. You are whole and worthy. If this video brought you hope or insight, please like, share, and subscribe, because your courage could inspire others on the path to healing.